Welcome back to the channel, guys. Again, this is Paul Bonin Vargas of ZEBIANMNL Manila, and ito yung gagawin natin today. This is what we call the triple black. Alright, this is a simple card holder. Tapos yung laman nito, yung capacity is about 6 to 10 cards. Tapos dito sa labas is yung bills mo. So, ang kasya natin dito is about 20 bills. So, kahit may 20,000 ka, kasya naman to dito. So, anyway, what we need are dalawang 9x11 cm leather, and another one is yung garter natin, which is 3/4 garter, tapos 9 cm siya. So, yan. Start na tayo. Alright, so start tayo. Bale, kuha ka muna ng isang side nung card slot natin or card panel. And then, mula sa dulo, count ka ng 3 cm each. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And then, sa kabilang side naman. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Bali yung marking na to, dito natin i-align yung para sa garter natin. And when you're done with that, kunin natin yung garter and your trusty double-sided tape. Bali, dito ka sa dulo maglalagay. Right? And syempre, putulin natin. Okay. Kapag tapos ka na nito, lalagay natin siya dito. Bale, yung technique na ginawa ko for this one, instead na sa ibabaw lang siya, dun natin sa likod ilalagay. Right? So, align natin siya. Ito yung may marking. And here, this will be a bit tricky. Align natin and takin mo lang siya. Align mo dito sa kabilang side. Hold mo lang to kasi baka biglang kumalas. So, okay. Balik ganyan siya. Then when you're done with that, press mo lang, and then kabila naman. So, magiging ganito siya, kaya make sure na i-bend nyo. Kasi, mas okay na parang nabe-bend siya towards you first. Kasi kapag tinahina natin siya dito, kakapit naman siya. Okay? And then, when you're done with this one, kunin mo yung kabilang side, papaikutin natin yung double-sided tape dito. So, dito muna natin siya. So, yun yung isa sa mga technique kaya ako ginagamit yung double-sided tape. Others, mas gusto nila yung cement. Contact cement for leather. Yung vegetable tan na to, yung black na to, you can check it out dun sa Nation Shoe Supply sa Marikina. Or meron din sa Auto. Usually yung mga ganitong kulay na hindi pangkaraniwan, you can check it at Auto and Nation kasi sila yung nagbebenta ng malakihang hides. Okay? Alright, so we're done with this one. And ito yung likod. So, get your coin. And punch out natin yung corner or cutter natin yung corner. Alright, so here it is. This time, magbubutas na tayo. Alright, before magbutas tayo, kunin natin yung wing divider and lagyan natin ng stitching guide or stitching lines. Di siya masyado makikita since medyo dark, since black literally yung ano natin, yung leather, so hindi siya masyado makikita siguro dyan sa camera. But make sure that when you're going to do the guide or the stitching line, have to press it properly. Okay? So start na tayo magbutas. Make sure it's aligned. Bali yung ginagawa ko nga pala, hindi ko masyado tinutodo yung dito sa 6-prong puncher. Ginagawa ko siya parang guide lang para mas maganda yung butas natin. Kakatapos lang natin magbutas nung wallet natin, yung card wallet. So this time, before anything else, again, this is Paul Bonin Vargas of ZEBIAN Manila. If you're new here, please do subscribe, like, and comment kung ano yung gusto mong makita sa next projects natin. So this time, yung gagawin ko is magtatahi ako using the stitching pony. Yung stitching pony, kailangan natin to para mas mapabilis yung pagtatahi natin. Para instead of using your one hand, you can use your both hands habang nagtatahi ka, pero saddle stitch pa rin. And gaya nga nung nasabi ko, yung card wallet natin na to, yung triple black, we will be giving it away for free. So ito yung question. Dun sa movie na... Wait, isip muna ako ng movie. joke lang. So, dun sa movie na Pursuit of Happiness, ano yung real name nung bida dun sa Pursuit of Happiness? Okay? When you're ready, comment ka lang below. And the first one to comment yung real name nung bida na yun, hindi yung actor yung bida talaga dun sa story, we will be getting this pair for free. Okay? Comment ka na! Okay, start na din ako. Alright, so we're finally done with our triple black. So again, I would like to say thank you to our friends Jerry Faso of OOPPSSYY Clothing and Motrasay of KARGADO Coffee. And syempre, bago natin ipamigay ito, kailangan nating lagyan ng leather balm. Mark leather balm from Mark Ngo, our friend. He is also a leather crafter. Para mas makintab and mas maganda yung dating. So, thank you again for watching this tutorial. I would love to see you do your own. Okay. And kabilang side. So, nahulaan nyo na ba kung sino yung bida dun sa Pursuit of Happiness. Alright? If you did, congratulations. And kung ikaw yung first comment, mas congratulations sa'yo. Dahil you'll be winning a pair of our triple black card wallet. Okay? Again, thank you for subscribing and for liking our videos. Salamat na marami. Bye!